All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol XSPA. And before we get started, I do want to say some announcements. The first thing I want to say is if you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, smash that like button for me. And most of all, share this with your friends, your community, and also for those of you that have been watching or become my viewers or are my subscribers or viewers that are going to become my subscribers after watching this video, also comment down below so that we can engage in conversation in regards to this stock, this ticker symbol, or in regards to charts or suggestions on things that you guys want other charts to be seen on of other ticker symbols and so forth. I want us to engage in conversation with each other as a community and even with me. So before we go into the charts, I do want to say also there are no emotions involved in these charts, just strictly charts, and I do not get paid for looking at specific charts. So Xpresspa Group had a bearish run today. It was attacked and torn down by the bears. I said there was going to be a big tug of war. It landed on the 50-day moving average. Um, honestly, we didn't know how this one would necessarily turn out till the day started, but the bears were winning this tug of war, especially just by these last six. The bulls only appeared one time and the bears appeared 5 times. I mean, the odds were there that the bears would just take advantage and tear this one apart. Also, there could have been sell-off, fear, people taking profits from being up here, and honestly dropping the price. But so many different things. But the main thing is the bears tore this one apart. We are definitely in bearish territory. 50-day moving average is way up here, and that's $5.13. Until that is not passed, and this chart is not showing that the price is over that, honestly, there would be no chance of this becoming bullish. It would just be in bearish territory and grounds. Now, we could see that the bulls did try to bring this one back up throughout the day, and it leveled out. So the bulls could actually take advantage of this. You know, it seems like the bears are actually worn out here. But then again, we're seeing here the bears appear pretty strongly at the end. But the odds of the last couple of, candlesticks here, the bulls are appearing more than the bears. Not necessarily means that the bulls can win this one over, but let's go ahead and move these because this support level was definitely torn apart today by the bears. And let's look at some key things for tomorrow. Resistance levels and support levels, right? So let's zoom in. And these are some key things we would want to keep a close eye on to see where this is going to be going and what are the odds of this moving closer down to support level or closer to the resistance level, and see who is going to gain the upper hand. Right now, obviously, we are seeing this in a bearish territory. Bulls have no control over this. They're just stabilizing it, and tomorrow will be another interesting tug of war to see how much more torn down this could be, or if this could be a run for the bulls to take care of this and bring it back up and break these resistance levels, use them as support, and create new resistance levels. So as I stated earlier, the 50-day moving average is 513. Why is it important? Because that's how we know where we're landing, if we're going towards a bullish run or in a bearish market. Right now, we're in a bearish market. We're in a bearish run here, tearing this one in a downward direction. The first resistance level that the bulls would have to keep an eye on is right here where they got rejected. It was the highest point that they reached throughout the whole day after being torn down by the bears and trying to recover, and that's $4.97. You want to keep a very, very close eye on that because as long as this is below that, then the bears are definitely maintaining control and keeping this in bearish grounds. So the first resistance level would be 497, and then that could be used as support to probably get past the 50-day moving average, turning this one into the favor of the bulls. But right now, they would have to focus on 497 first, and then we can start talking about up here. The other thing too, this just closed out at 477. I started this video a couple minutes before after market hours closed, but it didn't really change. So I got started, and 477 is the closing price. The support level where things started to turn around throughout the day is 447. So this is something that bulls and bears want to keep a close eye on, because the bulls can use this as leverage. If it gets really close to this, they can start to turn this one around and use that as support. And the bears can use this as their leverage to bring this one further away from the 50-day moving average and break through this support level and start maintaining it in a downward direction, right? Once this is torn, then they could be down here. And anyways, even if it is down here, the bulls can take advantage and bring it back up. But if the bears definitely take control, how they did earlier, and the last resistance level that we were looking at was about here at 522, and look how much they tore it down. That's when the bears definitely grapple on and take over that tug of war. So the bears can use that to their advantage, or the bulls can rally up and bring it back. So this is going to be an interesting one to look at for tomorrow. Keep a close eye on it. Again, guys, if you learned something new, subscribe. If you like this channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends in your community, and comment down below any other information that you guys want to talk about in regards to stocks, other stocks to watch for, what's on your watch list. I mean, let's just engage in conversation. I want this to be a community of investors, not just charts, all right? So thank you so much.